Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to use equipment in Dark War Survival. In Dark War Survival, using equipment is straightforward once you know the basics. First, keep in mind that equipment features unlock only after your watchtower reaches level 15, so any gear you acquire before that won't be usable yet. Equipment can be obtained through your premium center, events, or special offers, and you'll notice different types like weapons and armor. Each piece of gear is function specific, indicated in the top left corner, so make sure it matches your hero. Once your watchtower hits level 15, simply select a hero, open their equipment menu, and assign the items to boost their stats. You can also upgrade and enhance equipment over time to further strengthen your heroes. The system is intuitive, and equipping gear effectively can make a big difference in battles. That's all you need to know to start using equipment efficiently in Dark War Survival. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.